GlamDoll. So I'm here today to share with you all this eye look that I created by using Wet n Wild's 10-pan palette called Not a Basic Peach that looks like this right here. This palette is what was used to help to create the eye look that you're seeing, and what I appreciate most about this palette is the eyeshadows are insanely pigmented. Color you see, color you're definitely going to get, and they not chalky when applied. They blend effortlessly easy. I kid you not. Super easy. And this palette is insanely affordable because it's available right in your local drugstore. But if you want to see more about how I put this palette to use to create the eye look that you're seeing, keep watching this video, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls. I'm starting by priming the entire mobile area of my eye with my fingertips. I'm blending all the way up towards my brow bone. And then I'm taking my matte mineralized skin finish in the color called Medium Deep. I'm using this to help set the primer and as a transitional color to help the rest of the shadows to blend together more smoothly. So here's the fun part, loving this palette. Taking that first brown color that's labeled Transition, popping that directly into my crease in a windshield type motion. What I enjoy most about this palette is the eyeshadows are insanely pigmented. Color you see, you definitely is going to get. Once I finish blending that, I'm going back into the palette and I'm picking up that darkest brown color, and here's the interesting part. I'm doing a C shape on my outer V. I know I just said outer V, but notice how I'm making like the letter C because I'm only darkening a quarter way in towards my inner tear duct. Go back and with a flat shader brush, I'm picking up the copper-ish looking color and I'm placing that directly on the mobile area of the eye, making sure not to overlap it to where I previously have placed the brown shadow. So I'm focusing that in only on the mobile area of my eye, and I'm using a flat shader brush to pat the color in. Then I'm taking a clean blending brush and going back to where I placed the darkest brown color, and I'm just going to blend that out so I can avoid having harsh lines. Go back into the palette again with the flat shader brush, and I'm taking the teal blue or turquoise looking color, popping that on the inner tear ducts only. This is what's going to help to give me that pop of color and to widen the eyes with reflects of light. Loving that bluish color right there. Off camera, applied my wing eyeliner and false eyelashes and smoked out my lower lash line. And now I'm just blending in my foundation, which by the way, I've been using the Lancome foundation. And I'm now using my LA Girl Cream Concealer Contour Kit. Whew, that was a mouthful. Popping the concealer underneath the areas of my eyes, going back, picking up the darkest brown color, and I'm going to contour the outer perimeters of my face, and then taking the temple area, making the number 3, and that's how I get my contour. See? The number 3. Then, once I finish doing that, I'm going to go ahead and take my beauty blender that's been soaking in warm water, squeeze that out, and I'm going to go ahead and blending in the contour as well as the concealer that I have placed previously underneath my eyes. This is a method that I've been enjoying doing a lot lately. Go back with the same Real Techniques beauty blender and taking my face setting powder, and I'm going to chisel out the contour on the sides of my face. Then I've been using my liquid highlighter by e.l.f. Cosmetics, which I've been so enjoying lately. Look at that. That's gorgeous. The liquid highlighter gives me a nice dewy finish and it's not overwhelming. It's definitely giving me that daytime highlighting glow feeling. It's not going to strobe, so I'm not going to stop traffic on the other end of the street or whatever, but I'm liking the dewy finish that it provides. So gorgeous and very daytime wear friendly. Then I'm going to add my blush, Milani Cosmetics. I'm not much of a blush wearer, so a little bit of this is definitely going to go a long way for me. I'm going to go ahead and blend out where I placed that setting powder to create the contour along my cheek area. Then I'm going to start outlining my lips and add my favorite lipstick at the moment, which is by Black Radiance. It's the Perfect Tone Matte Lippy. And on that note, dolls, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, and this pretty much just concludes the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. The palette is definitely worth you dolls looking into. I highly suggest that you pick it up. It's available in your local drugstore. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.